Welcome to this explainer. Okay, picture this. The clock strikes midnight on Friday. Boom! That beautiful direct deposit notification pops up on your screen. $3,000. Your brain absolutely floods with dopamine. You feel rich, right? You feel completely unstoppable.
But then comes the crushing reality of Sunday night. Suddenly, half of your money has just vanished into thin air, and you're left staring at a super stressed out $14 bank balance, literally wondering where it all went. Now, I want you to contrast that chaos with a beautifully clean digital dashboard full of perfectly organized bank buckets. Because let me tell you, that right there, that is exactly where we want to be.
So what's going on here? Well, we actually call this phenomenon the 48-hour trap. It happens because, let's be honest, most people treat payday like a weekend free-for-all instead of treating it like what it really should be, a highly strategic financial operation. You work incredibly hard for your money, but if you don't have a rock-solid plan, the literal second it hits your account, poof, it just evaporates.
But don't worry, to escape this trap, we just need a system. Here is your 5-move Paycheck game plan. Move 1, pay yourself first. 2, triage fixed costs. 3, deploy the debt knife. 4, seed sinking funds. And 5, unlock the guilt-free vault.
All right, let's dive right into move number 1. Pay yourself first.
Listen, you absolutely must secure your own future before you hand over a single dime to your landlord, to Netflix, or to your favorite local coffee shop. The golden rule here? You pull 15 to 20% straight off the top, immediately. Because if you wait to save what's supposedly left over at the end of the month, I guarantee you the answer will always be zero. It's just human nature to spend whatever is sitting right in front of us.
So how do we bypass that human nature? Easy, we automate to completely eliminate willpower. You just go into your banking app and toggle an automatic transfer to hit on payday morning. Watch that high-yield savings yield climb, make it out of sight, out of mind, and funnel it straight into sweet, sweet compound growth. Moving right along to move number 2, triage fixed costs.
This is how we eliminate rent day panic for good. I want you to look ahead at the next 14 days. Whether it's rent, utilities, or that pesky car payment, calculate the exact total due before your next paycheck. Then, transfer that exact total into a shielded, separate checking account immediately. Or, at the very least, set a strict minimum floor in your main account that you mentally treat as absolute zero.
Okay, next up is move number 3, the debt knife. Because look, not all debt is created equal. You really have to recognize that toxic, high-interest debt, like a credit card sitting at 24%, is literal financial bleeding. On the flip side, manageable low-interest debt, like maybe a student loan at 4%, is relatively stable. You need to take a knife directly to that toxic debt.
And here is the absolute non-negotiable rule for this: greater than 8%. If you're carrying personal loans or credit card debt with interest rates above 8%, every single spare dollar you have, beyond your basic emergency fund of course, must go toward crushing it. No excuses.
Why are we so aggressive about this? Because paying off a 22% interest credit card gives you a guaranteed, tax-free 22% return on your money. I mean, try finding a guaranteed 22% return on the stock market. You can't do it. Slashing this debt is literally the highest yielding investment you can possibly make.
All right, we're on to move number 4, seed sinking funds.
This step right here is exactly how you prepare for those sneaky financial ambushes. You see, irregular expenses aren't actually emergencies. They're totally predictable events. Car tires wear out, annual software subscriptions renew, and guess what? The holidays happen every single December. By allocating just $50 a paycheck into specific mini buckets, you entirely prevent yourself from sliding backwards into credit card debt when these completely inevitable expenses hit. And finally, we arrive at move number 5, the guilt-free vault. This is the ultimate payoff, guys. Once you lock in steps 1 through 4, whatever balance remains is yours to burn, completely 100% guilt-free. Want to buy a $7 latte? Hit up an awesome concert? Go out for a really nice dinner? Just do it. Zero guilt. Your future is already secured, so you can actually afford to enjoy your life today.
Now, to help you build this into an actionable system right away, we've made things totally frictionless for you. There's actually a free automated Paycheck game plan template that calculates all 5 of these steps for you instantly. Just click the link in the description down below, download it, and automate your 5 steps.
So my final question to you is this. Did this explainer bring you some real financial clarity today? If it did, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more breakdowns just like this. And I want to leave you with one last pretty provocative thought. How much richer, and honestly how much less stressed, will you be 12 months from right now if you choose to automate these exact 5 moves today? Think about it. I'll see you in the next explainer.